You gonna take Timothy to where he's gonna eat?
Yeah.
Okay. You tell him where his food is. Oops, keep going. Okay, there you go. Put him down. Good job.
Okay. There. Okay. Oh, here comes Natalie. Oh,
She's gonna help too. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, Kaylee. He's all right. He's eating.
Gentle. Okay, gentle. Easy, Timothy. Okay. Okay, Timothy, I'm going to take you to the vet to give you... Oh, gentle. Okay. Gentle, Natalie. Easy. Oh, easy. Easy.